In primetime news tonight, why you could be prevented from traveling overseas if you have unpaid traffic tickets. Government response to concerns about mining in the Cockpit country. And the TVJ News special report prompts action at Comprehensive Clinic.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, a Jamaican real estate company has announced plans to expand throughout the region. Also in the region, the U.S. has imposed new travel restrictions on visits to Cuba. I'll have details on those and other stories later in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, one reggae girl sustained an injury last week and is out of the FIFA Women's World Cup. Our replacement has been named. We'll tell you who it is later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the proposal to stop people at the airport if they owe traffic tickets?
Oh my. Share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
You sound like you're not going to be able to fly. Okay, please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.